from Bug Eye Guys. Just a quick walk around tour of this 1954 Austin Healey 100, a BN1. Best, weirdest, coolest grill in the auto industry. I love this grill. It's just so unique. Of course, on the later cars, they turned it into an oval grill, but I love that. I also think it's really nice to have the louvered hoods. These cars do run a little hot. So the M kit came with this louvered hood. People love the leather belt. I've had a lot of people, since I've driven and used these cars over the years for a long time, the belt gets the most compliments, believe it or not. People love the belt. Thank you. So anyway, they love the car. The windshields are another amazing feature. Of course, you have these fantastically curved windshield posts, which are really elegant. But then if you're unfamiliar, these unplug here and plug in here, so you end up with a 45-degree, very racy windshield. That was how they got the car to go over 100 miles an hour, by getting the wind resistance out of the way, or reducing the wind resistance on the windshield. So you end up with a really wonderful look when you put the windshield in a low position on hot summer days. The dashboard as well has this fantastic swoopy curve to it, which is also another gorgeous curvaceous form with all these curves on this car. It's just a knockout. So then you have trafficators here. This one has a 5-speed Toyota transmission conversion. Sacrilege for you purists, but a delight in terms of reliability, drivability, and ease of use. So you got to know that the BN1s, if you're unfamiliar, if you know these cars, you know all this. You don't need to watch me talk about it. But the BN1 had the strangest shift pattern of any of the big Healeys. It was a converted column shifter from another Austin. So you had first gear where you would normally be looking for fourth gear. Second was up here, and third was down here. So it was like a backwards part of the H. Very difficult to get used to and very quirky. And most of them by now are pretty worn out. So this is a wonderful, efficient way to address that. It's this 5-speed conversion kit. You end up with a fully synchronized gearbox with an overdrive 5th gear. There's, like, anyone can drive it. It turns it into a totally user-friendly, wonderful machine. So I love that conversion, but that's what's in this particular car. The other thing that's nice is we have the early cars. The BN1s had no reflector pod here. That came later on the later 100s, and so this early design is much cleaner in the back, and so you have a much more curvaceous and kind of sensual rear end, which I really love. I just think these are particularly striking. Gorgeous, gorgeous classic British car. New chrome wire wheels and also a new leather interior. There's also something very special about the way the wheels fill the fenders on these cars. I really think this is the most handsome big Healey of any of them, and of course is a 2-seat roadster, so you don't have the 2+2 thing that was so common on big Healeys. You know, many of those cars were 2+2, but the roadster form in the hundreds is just that much more elegant and perhaps macho at the same time. But anyway, a fantastic Healey 100 that we have for sale here at Bug Eye Guys.